Have you recently been sitting quietly in your home, perhaps drinking your morning coffee or staring out the glass, when a bird suddenly landed on your windowsill? But it did not just land. It stopped, turned its head, and looked directly at you. In that brief, silent second, you felt a strange, undeniable shift in the air. You felt that you were not just looking at a wild animal, but that you were being observed by a profound, ancient intelligence. Society and the noisy modern world will tell you that this is just a coincidence, a random insect hunting mission by an oblivious creature. But as you have grown older and accumulated the quiet wisdom that only decades of survival can forge, you know deep in your bones that the universe does not operate on random accidents. If you are finally ready to drop the exhausting illusion of coincidence and master the uncompromising biological and spiritual laws of the universe, I invite you to subscribe to this channel right now. Join our sanctuary of sovereign wisdom, where we replace the loud chaos of the world with the deep, magnetic stillness of the soul. Subscribe now, and let us fundamentally change how you decode the reality around you. Let us completely deconstruct the profound mechanics of what happens when a bird visits your window. You must understand that this is not magic, it is quantum biology. Science has already proven that birds navigate the globe using magnetoreception. Their biology allows them to literally see and feel the invisible electromagnetic lines of the Earth. But what society forgets to tell you is that your heart is the most powerful magnetic engine in your body. It emits a torus field that extends far beyond your physical chest. When you are going through a massive internal transition, when you are finally letting go of decades of trauma, or when you are crossing the threshold from suffering into peace, the electromagnetic frequency of your heart drastically changes. You create an energetic anomaly. The bird is magnetically drawn to this shift. Your window is the physical and spiritual boundary between your internal sanctuary and the external chaos of the world. And when a specific bird lands on that boundary and looks at you, it is acting as a cosmic messenger, signaling that a major, irreversible life shift has arrived at your doorstep. There are 3 specific birds that carry the heaviest, most profound messages, and you must know exactly how to read them. The first is the red bird, most commonly known as the cardinal. In almost every ancient tradition, the brilliant red plumage of a visiting bird represents the ancestral bridge. As you have reached your later years, you have inevitably carried the incredibly heavy burden of grief. You have watched lifelong friends pass away, you have lost a spouse who anchored your reality, or you have buried loved ones whose absence leaves a hollow silence in your chest. Grief is a dense, suffocating frequency that traps your nervous system in a state of chronic longing and survivor's guilt. You constantly wonder if they are at peace, or if you did enough for them when they were here. When a red bird suddenly appears at your window, especially during a moment when your heart is heavy with memory, it is the ultimate karmic transmission. The quantum field is utilizing the highly sensitive biology of that bird to bridge the gap between the physical and the spiritual. It is a direct, undeniable message from the soul of your departed loved one. They are using the frequency of that red bird to gently touch your energetic field and deliver a massive spiritual pardon. They are looking at you through the glass to tell you, I am entirely free from the pain of the physical body. I am in the light, and you must stop torturing yourself with the heavy guilt of the past. They do not want you to spend the final chapters of your life mourning in the shadows. The arrival of the red bird is the universe commanding you to release your sorrow, open your hands, and live the rest of your years with absolute joy. The second messenger is the black bird, often the crow or the raven. Society has unfairly demonized the crow, painting it as a symbol of bad luck or an omen of physical death. But the sovereign monk knows that this is a foolish misunderstanding of deep Zen philosophy. The crow does not represent physical death. It represents the death of the ego and the ultimate karmic cleansing. For decades, you have acted as the emotional dumping ground for toxic family members, ungrateful adult children, and friends who only drain your peace. You have tolerated their disrespect because you are terrified of being alone. But when the blackbird lands on your windowsill and stares into your home, it means that the era of the exhausted savior is officially over. The crow is the universe's ultimate protector. It arrives exactly when your energetic field is finally strong enough to cut off the energetic thieves. It signifies that a massive tower is falling in your life. A toxic relationship is about to abruptly end. An ungrateful person is going to be removed from your inner circle, or a heavy obligation that was never yours to carry is going to shatter. The blackbird comes to warn you not to fear the silence that follows. Do not try to repair the relationships that the universe is actively destroying for your own protection. The crow is telling you that the heavy, dark cocoon of your suffering has been cracked open. The parasites are being vacuumed out of your life. Stand firm in the void. Do not apologize for your new boundaries, and let the crow carry the toxic energy away. The third messenger is the hummingbird. This tiny, magnificent creature is the ultimate manifestation of the highest frequency a biological entity can hold. A hummingbird beats its wings at an astonishing rate, hovering in perfect stillness while moving faster than the eye can track. It is the absolute embodiment of the Zen concept of action in non-action. For most of your life, you have believed that you had to grind, sweat, and desperately chase after every dollar, every ounce of respect, and every moment of peace. You lived in the agonizing beta brainwave state of survival. But when a hummingbird suddenly hovers at your window, it is the highest, most joyful decree the universe can issue. It means that your karmic debt has been paid in full. You have survived the brutal, freezing winters of your life. The heavy, agonizing lessons have been learned, and the universe is announcing the arrival of the quantum harvest. The hummingbird tells you that you are entering a phase of your life where you no longer need to force anything. Abundance, whether it is unexpected financial relief, a sudden resolution to a lifelong health issue, or the arrival of profoundly peaceful people, is manifesting in your reality right now. The universe is telling you to drop your armor because the war is over. Your only job now is to extract the sweet nectar from the present moment, exactly as the hummingbird extracts it from the flower. To truly integrate the profound power of these three messengers, you must master the uncompromising protocol of the window. The modern anxious mind is deeply addicted to capturing everything. When something beautiful or mystical happens, your first instinct is to panic, grab your phone, and try to take a desperate photograph to prove to the world that it happened. Or you try to open the window to trap the bird, acting out of the terrifying frequency of lack. You must never do this. When the messenger arrives, you must immediately transition into the absolute sovereign power of the empty bowl. When the bird lands, you will freeze. You will manually override your instinct to reach for a camera. You will drop your shoulders. You will breathe deeply into your belly to signal to your vagus nerve that you are entirely safe. And you will meet the bird's eyes with profound, unshakable neutrality. You will sit perfectly still and allow the electromagnetic transmission to occur. You receive the blessing, you receive the closure, and then, with a heart completely free of desperation, you watch the bird fly away. You allow the miracle to come, and you allow the miracle to leave. This level of energetic discipline creates a massive vacuum of peace around you, ensuring that the universe continues to send you endless synchronicities. I am issuing you a profound spiritual challenge. The next time a bird behaves strangely around your home, I forbid you from dismissing it as a coincidence, and I forbid you from trying to capture it. You will be the silent observer. Watch how your nervous system instantly heals when you realize that the entire universe is conspiring to bring you peace. I want you to anchor this profound biological and spiritual shift into the physical world right now. Do not just let this be another video that you consume and immediately forget. Make the physical declaration to override your old neurological programming. Go to the comments section below and type these exact words. I receive the message. My shift is here. When you type those words, you are sending a massive electrical signal through your entire body that you are finally ready to accept the rewards of your life. You are laying claim to your sovereignty. You have survived the hardest parts of your existence. It is time to let the universe guide you. Create the vacuum, command your frequency, read the signs, and above all else, be well.